Hi guys, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. Now I am at Jog Fall here, Jog Falls in Karnataka. So I'm heading towards Bhatkal now, but this is Bhatkal road this side, and I'll connect to the Muddeshwar there. It's around 90 kilometers away. On the way, I will show you if I see something good places of this area. I never been in this road before. That's the road behind me. This way I'll connect to the Bhatkal area here. Okay, then if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. Okay, let's go now. Alright friends, this area is just behind the Jog Fall here. They have boating also in this lake here, and there is the Jog Fall that side here, and this water is going from somewhere there, and this is big area here. I never been in this place. Lot of houses here behind that Jog Fall. It looks like mountain area, but it's not mountain area there. It's a Bhatkal road. I am heading towards Bhatkal now. Look friends, what I found here. Linganamaki Dam is here, a powerhouse. This way. It's a 1 kilometer away from a main road here. I'll just go and check it out. This way, and this is the main road. From this way I have come now from Jog Fall, and this road connects to the Bhatkal area. Okay, I'll just go and check it out what is there. This is all about bikers people. Bikers do trying to explore places. Okay. Okay, there is the dam. This one is the dam here. But one local has said me that they are not allowing to go inside now. I'll just go and check it out. So this is the area here. Okay, let's go. That's the area of dam, but no entry now. I have to go from here. Okay then, let's go further. Okay, I am at the ghat here. On the way, it's a small road here, a small ghat here. Trucks are not allowed on this road. They move on Ankola, Yellapur road and Honavar road. They use big trucks. This road is small only for cars and local buses here. What we have here is the waterfall. Okay, I'm down from Ghat now. From here, I have come around. This is all the big Ghat here. The small road they have here. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, this is Bhatkal here. This is Bhatkal. I'll go to Muddeshwar now from here. Okay, I'm just at a Muddeshwar road here. It's a inside road here. This one, the left one here. This road goes to Madgaon. Okay, I'll go from here. It's around 3 kilometers. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, I'm finally at Muddeshwar here. It's a temple here. It's a Sunday here. It's maybe Sunday market or something. It's a lot of traffic and lot of people here. You see behind me. This is Muddeshwar temple here. I'm not going inside. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Lots of people gathered here. See. They use beach for parking here. Too many people gathered here. They have festival here, that's why too many people gathered here. It's a festival day. on Sunday. Now you see here it's the beach, the boating also. People are enjoying without mask here. Because of feast, they said me like this. That's why the people gathered here. Jatra. Yeah friends, I'm done with Muddeshwar here. I'm heading towards Gokarna. Okay, let's go there. If you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.